Ninjas, Regina is on her way to California right now to look for her parents. She actually has a live feed for us right now, so let's take a look.
Here I go. I made it, y'all.
On her way to California, we need to figure out who this Mr. E guy is because he knows way too many information about our past.
He knew about my parents' house in Minnesota.
He knew about where my family lives in New York City and my dog.
And he knows that I possibly have roots in the Philippines.
And he knew what we kept in our fridge for the Mentos video.
He must know the location of the safe house. Could be you.
He's way too smart for me.
Oh, I'm getting a call. It's a no caller.
Got him, Mr. E. Don't answer the phone yet. I got an idea. I'm gonna track it to see where the call is coming from. We can find out his location.
And make sure to answer it using FaceTime so we can see his face.
Hello? Wait, Mr. E? How come you're not showing your face?
I would like to remain anonymous, especially when Project Zorgo is always watching. When Regina lands, tell her that her parents are located on the top floor of the hotel located on Mason Street.
They live in a hotel? Alright, well thanks, Mr. E. I'll tell Regina that.
I was tracking his location the whole time.
Where is that?
Okay, that call was coming from a couple blocks down the road.
He's in Vegas right now?
Well, hold on. Should we tell Regina first what he said?
Okay, yeah, he did have some good news.
40 minutes later. Guys, look, I made it to the city. I don't know how I'm gonna find them. California is a huge state. But, oh, Chad and V are calling.
Hey!
Regina!
Hey guys, look what I see. It's a black pyramid here in California.
What?
What?
Could that be Project Zorgo headquarters? Are my parents up there?
No. We got a call from Mr. E and they are at a hotel on Mason Street?
The top floor of the hotel.
My parents are at a hotel? Okay, I'm coming.
Good luck.
He's gonna see her parents.
That's so exciting. I hope Mr. E's telling the truth. I hope they're actually there.
Well, I think we should head to this location where Mr. E is.
Someone's got to stay here and guard the safe house. I'll do that.
I'll go with you, Daniel.
Okay, V, I'm tracking Mr. E's location. It says he should be around here somewhere. He could be in any one of these stores.
Does he work here? There's a Vietnamese place. It says pho.
Oh, yeah.
So cold. Wouldn't it be nice for a bowl of pho soup right now, Daniel? Is he in there?
I don't know, V.
Are you sure?
Pho is not the greatest.
That place looks really good too. Should we go in there and check it out? Order some food?
I don't think Mr. E would go in a place like that.
Daniel!
I don't know.
Wait, what about that one? Look at that black figure out there. Right?
Yeah, who the heck is that guy? He's wearing a black hoodie.
It could be Mr. E or it could be a hacker.
It's definitely a very mysterious person right there. And it looks like Mr. E's location is coming from around there. Let's go confront him and tell him what the heck is going on. Should we be trusting you or not?
I made it to the top of the hotel. It goes all the way down there. This is the room they said to enter. Hopefully my mom and dad are there and hopefully they're nice and hopefully they accept me. Oh my gosh, I have to hide. There's a bunch of hackers. Oh, those aren't my parents, are they? These are definitely not my parents. There's like 5 hackers in here.
Attention Project Zorgo members. We've successfully acquired the key to Regina's parents' room. It's
There's the key to my parents' room. My parents are here.
now let's celebrate a successful mission.
Time to go crazy.
Alright.
Ow, what the heck? Is this what the hackers do on their free time? The key. Look, that hacker wiggling around like that. Oh, I think he's passing it to the hacker with the furry jacket. He has the key. Gotta sneak up. Whoa, are they sleeping? I sure hope so. Put it in his pocket. Drop the key, drop the key. The hacker's not wearing shoes. The California division of hackers, quite strange. I thought Vegas was weird. Whatever, I got the key. This key opens up the door that leads to my parents. I hope they're not trapped. I'm coming to save you, Mom and Dad. It worked.
It's Dax!
Dax! Hey.
What are you doing here?
It's you!
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
What's wrong, Dax? And why are you wearing a black hoodie?
It's cold, so I just decided to put on this hoodie given to me by a shadowy hacker organization.
Rejoining Project Zorgo, Dax?
No, it's just winter.
Have you been taking on a new identity lately? Are you, by any chance, going by another alias called Mr. E?
What? No.
Well, you used to be a hacker, so maybe you have information about V's family, my family, Regina's.
You know who used to be a hacker? PZ9. How's he doing as a spy ninja, by the way? Ugh.
Wait, Why are you acting like this, Dax? You don't seem like your normal self.
Sometimes when the heart is broken, it shows on the surface.
So dramatic. Is Dax acting like this because he wanted to be a spy ninja?
Oh yeah, we never let him. Instead, we let PZ9 become a spy ninja.
Well, I mean, he's like an honorable spy ninja, you know.
I think he's kind of mad at us for not letting him join. Maybe that's why he became Mr. E?
He looks so sad. Maybe we should like hang out with him for a little bit, invite him back to the safe house, so...
Yeah, maybe if we make him happy, he'll admit if he really is Mr. E or not.
Hey, Dax! We haven't seen you in a long time. Do you want to come over to the safe house and just like hang out with the spy ninjas?
Actually, no.
What?
What? Why not?
Why not?
Just so I could be another side character in this whole story of yours. There's probably not enough beanbags for everyone. Vi, Danielle, I'm just gonna cabeza out.
Cabeza? Yeah, Mr. E is pretty smart. And this guy doesn't even know our name. I don't think he is Mr. E, but he could be. My phone says that Mr. E is around, like over there. I think we gotta go tell Chad and...
V? I'm V.
Oh, we gotta tell Chad and...
Melvin?
Mom? Dad? It's me, your daughter. What the heck? This room is empty! But it does look like people were here. The hackers, they probably took them somewhere else because they knew I was coming. Mom? Dad? Is that them? Am I ever gonna find my parents? Well, this bed is kind of comfy. Mom, Dad, if you're watching this, please reach out to me.
Okay, guys, you're not gonna like the sound of this, but you break the ice.
We think Mr. E might be Dax.
Ah! No, impossible.
Daxton.
Impossible.
No, it really seemed like him.
This Mr. E knows way too much stuff. He's way too smart. Dax, kind of slow, you know?
Yeah, but I tracked the location where Mr. E's phone was coming from, and we went there.
Yeah,
Dax
and
was
Dax
there.
was there.
I mean, he is a Spy Ninja super fan.
Maybe Mr. E is a Spy Ninja super fan. In fact, if you're a Spy Ninja super fan, make sure you're subscribed to Qwaint. Take your phone, turn it up this way. Underneath the video is gonna be a red subscribe link. Click it, turn it gray, and then you're a Spy Ninja too.
Maybe they're right, V. I don't know.
Maybe we should just sleep on it.
Okay, I'll stay up again.
I'm gonna go into the bedroom.
6 hours later.
It's Mr. E. Guys, wake up! Daniel!
Snap!
What are you doing in the dog cage? Mr. E's calling me.
Good news. I got word on where Regina's parents could be.
Regina's parents?
I'll text you the address.
Okay.
Okay.
There, I got the text.
let me look.
Hold on 1 second. All right, let me mute this. Yeah, where is this?
It's a dental office.
A dentist office.
Typing, look. Once Regina makes it to the location, she must find a toothbrush. On that toothbrush is an important address. I don't know, this sounds really sketchy, guys. Are you sure we can even trust this guy, Mr. E? He sends Regina off to find her parents to a room full of hackers.
Well, I'll give him a piece of my mind. If you want to meet at the park, Mr. E, I got something for you.
Whoa, calm down, Melvin. Mr. E, don't listen to him. If you could just meet us in real life so we can tell that you're a good guy, that'd be great, okay?
Yeah.
How about the nearby park over here?
Melvin, remember 2020 goals. Be nice.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. E.
Keep your eyes out for Mr. E. I'm gonna call Regina and let her know. Regina, where are you?
I made it! Look,
Disneyland?
I do think that my parents work here though. Remember when I was in Planet Hollywood, I found a clue with a picture with my mom at Disneyland. Wait, Project Zorgo members.
Regina, those aren't Project Zorgo members, those are stormtroopers from Star Wars.
Hi.
Clear the way.
He shoved me.
The stormtroopers are not your parents. I think I know where they're located. I'm gonna text message you right now their location.
Okay, I guess I'll leave now.
Come on, Daniel. Okay, time to find Mr. E, okay? Is that Mr. E right there? Or is that a hacker?
That's definitely somebody who needs a haircut.
Hey, look who's talking.
Hey!
Have you ever seen a hacker with blonde curly hair like that?
No, I haven't. How can you be sure it's a hacker anyway?
That's gotta be Mr. E then.
Because wouldn't they be wearing all black? He even has a red hat on.
Hackers do not wear red hats.
Everybody walk on your tiptoes.
Mr. E, is that you? Oh!
Just who I was looking for, the spy ninja.
So after my sad, short-lived trip to Disneyland, I headed over to the location Mr. E sent me to. And it led me to a dental office. How sketchy is that? Seriously, does this guy even know what he's doing? Spy ninjas, this is probably one of the weirdest things I've ever had to do. A dental office? And look, there's no one at the front desk. Hello? Why am I entering all these places that are completely abandoned? Is anyone in here? Is my mom a dentist? Is my dad a dentist? I really like the dentist, actually. I think I need to go get my teeth cleaned. How do my teeth look, Spy Ninjas? Look, guys, it's a pyramid. Is this a Project Zorgo dental office? Dentist? Doctor? No. That can't be who I think it is. Mr. Bear? Why does this dentist have Mr. Bear in his office? Wait, this isn't Mr. Bear. His head is turned sideways because remember the hacker ripped it off and then V sewed it back together? But when she sewed it back, she didn't sew it on straight, so now it's sideways. And it doesn't have my name on the bottom. Why are you here, Bear? Is it a weird coincidence that whoever the dentist is has the same exact bear as me? It can't be. I'm here for a reason. Anyone here? Whoa, look at all these empty chairs. I don't have a good feeling about this. Look at how empty it is. Oh,
Me?
sorry. Hello.
I'm a member of Project Zorgo, of course. Get away from that.
Hey!
This is not for you.
Hey, that's my property. Look, it says property of CWC. He took that from Minnesota.
It's property of Project Zorgo now.
Can I have my sword back, please?
You'll have to fight me for it.
Melvin, in my backpack.
I hope you got something sharp in here. What?
No, not sharp.
Nunchucks?
Yeah, you give me a pair. I got 2 pairs in there. No, you can have 1. You want me to have 2 at the same time?
Okay.
Hey, where's he going?
Get him, get him!
Hey, think fast!
Oh, he dropped his hair. Get him, get him!
Halt!
You're sick.
One for me.
You took my sword and my stuff from Minnesota. I want it back.
Well, you'll have to come and get it.
Dude, it's like 5-on-1 right now. I forgot Regina's not here. It's 4-on-1 right now.
You wish to engage in fisticuffs? On guard.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
That's not no fisticuff if I've ever seen one.
I got 1 fisticuff and 1 sword.
Mind if I swing first?
Go for it, Melvin.
Do it, do it!
Here goes nothing!
Oh,
Melvin!
1 down, 3 to go. You're next, small one.
Backpack attack! Yeah!
Oh!
Nice try.
Oh, you hacker, I got your hair. You dropped it.
Hand it over then.
All right, say, take this. Oh,
You're gonna have to do better than that.
Sorry. Hello.
What are you doing here?
Sorry. I'm a dentist. I work here, yeah. I have the lab coat and everything. Lab coat, right? That's what these are called?
I need a checkup. Can you look at my teeth, doctor?
Me? Look at your teeth? Guess so. Take a seat right here, sir.
Don't hurt me.
So first things first, you need to open your mouth and then...
Wait a minute. Why are you filming this?
Oh, yeah, I have a camera, that's right. I'm making a new YouTube channel for my dentistry.
As long as you don't show my face, I'm okay with it.
Oh, okay. Guys, I think I have to use, like, one of these tools right here to, like, scrape out all that gross stuff. I think you just use some of this thing, and maybe this thing, too. Oh, gosh! I'm so sorry. Let me get you another one.
No, doctor. I'm leaving.
What?
I don't trust you. You might squirt me again.
Will you get a refund?
Nope, no problem.
Afraid of this saber?
Of course not. Bring it.
get it, get it!
That's my weak.
Go. I've got the envelope. Right here. Let's see what's in here. This is exactly the thing I was hiding from them. Oh no! It's empty. They took it out already.
No!
Boozled again!
Oh,
Took your secret away from you, Chad?
they took it.
No.
What was it anyways?
It was a deal. Oh, shh. Project Zorgo might be watching this. I can't let them know what it was.
What, your ex-girlfriends?
Hey!
He doesn't have any.
Well, that obviously wasn't Mr. E, was it?
That was a hacker. Straight up.
Text message. Mr. E, I've left. I was waiting for you underneath the blue canopy.
Oh, we were in the wrong spot.
Let's go over there quick. Maybe we can catch him.
Yeah, go.
I need to call Chad and V. I don't know what I'm doing here. Chad, V, I'm freaking out right now, and what if the real dentist comes back?
Don't worry. Try looking in the back closet. That's where Mr. E said it's gonna be.
The toothbrush is in the back closet? I'm just gonna find it and get out of here. Hey, Chad and V said it's all the way in the back of the office. In the closet. Oh, here's a closet right here. Oh, and it says private. Okay, this has gotta be it. Better not be locked. Oh, it's not. Do the hackers run this dental office? Right there. I think that's the toothbrush. toothbrush right here. I have to use my sneaking skills. Stay away from me! I got the toothbrush, let's go! I'm sick and tired of going to all these different places to find my parents. I doubt they're gonna be on the address on this toothbrush. I mean, why would there even be an address on a toothbrush? Check this address out. That's close by. I just gotta get out of here.
Blue canopy, right there. That must be where he was. Now let's see. You guys see who you are?
Mr. E!
Where are you, you loser?
Mr. E!
Hello? Wait, is this a message from him?
It says bamboozled! Every time we follow a Mr. E clue, there's hackers. It's a pattern here that I don't like.
Did he leave any other clues around here? Beef eaters, oven baked. He must have left this here, doggy treats. If this Mr. E is trying to help us, maybe it's another YouTuber. Spy Ninjas, what YouTubers do you know that have a dog? Maybe that'll narrow down who the possibilities of this Mr. E is.
What are you doing, Melvin?
Melvin,
I'm just making sure it's evidence.
what's it taste like?
Not really anything.
What? Do you hear that?
I'm
No, right here.
falling into a lot of traps lately.
My live feed with Regina, it's still running.
Oh.
Whoa, look at this.
This is the address where the toothbrush led me. And I've been falling into a lot of traps lately. So I highly doubt that my parents are in here. But at this point, I'm desperate. Hello? Okay. I'll just wait. Maybe they're not home yet. Well, the gate is open. Is anyone here? Do you guys see anything? Let me know. Wait, do you guys see what I see? Right over there. It's a picture frame and it says Mom. Do you guys see that? Wait a minute. That picture in that frame, that's the picture I found on the Las Vegas Strip. But the person's face in there, it was blacked out. It's not. That's the real photo in there. My mom really does live here. Mom! Mom! It's me, your daughter, Regina! I'm home! Oh my gosh, guys. There's someone up there. And it's not a hacker. Look. Is anyone there? That's really her, guys. That's my mom. Hello?